don't know that there are 4 languages.
4 different languages.
Yeah,
They think
for us,
everything
everything
is
is-
Yeah.
everything is Malayalam. So
Yeah.
like the basis on which a democracy is like right now working is not right. Well, this is what I feel.
It should not be on language and religion.
Languages. Like it should be more on administrative grounds. But then instead of doing that, our leaders they are doing this divide and rule thing,
Yeah, same thing.
which is going to get us nowhere.
No, but like
Instead of progressing, we are going backward only. Even though we see good infrastructure, we see metro and all that. You
But
go
you
to a
have to
village,
divide it on linguistics.
you will not find a glass of water to drink.
But you
What sort of
can't divide it
development
on
is
any other basis.
Why not? Administrative basis.
No, but
easier.
it will not be comfortable for the people speaking 2 different languages, living in the same
You
place
tell
like
me what
that.
is happening in Northeast India.
Yeah.
Northeast India, that's 7 sisters.
states.
7 states were called as 7 sisters. उनको divide करके क्या मिला? In fact, tensions और बढ़ गए.
But usually people don't want to stay. People want to stay with their
people
people.
of the same.
People of the same
Yeah.
But
language.
it's not going to affect. You need different types of people so that you get different opinions on different aspects. Only then it will give you a larger picture instead of just keeping yourself to so.
yeah, but then many people don't want that, right? I mean,
That is
people
why we
more
are back.
comfortable-
Even after 67 years of independence, that is why we are still developing. You see at Japan, what level of leadership they have showed to their
Yeah.
people. After Hiroshima and Nagasaki, after this 2011 tsunami and this
Yeah.
again this Fukushima, whatever it is, nuclear plant, they have still emerged as global leaders. Still emerged.
Most
Don't
developed
see,
country.
it's not about just the size. Japan is a very small country,
Small country.
but it is one of the most developed countries
Yes.
in Asia.
Being-
It is a very big competitor to US. In terms of intelligence, in terms of exports, in terms of economy, they are a biggest
In fact,
competitors. So
USA
see,
are owing a debt to Japan.
Japan. So
In millions.
our country should get inspiration from the leaders of Japanese. Like they are like they don't waste anything. They are very focused, very dedicated to quality products, and that is why their products are ruling.
That's
the
why
markets.
their own country uses their own products.
Own
That's why they don't
products.
need to depend on
They
anyone
don't
else.
need, yeah.
And secondly, the biggest problem in India is still, I believe, is population. I still believe it's population only.
We are part of the population.
Yes, we are.
Let's not forget.
Yeah,
See,
yes, we are.
in
But
1.2 billion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there.
yes, of course, I do believe in that.
They
But
are not educated, very illiterate. That's more, many are,
That is there, madam, but
That
then
is
I think
there
it is
everywhere.
going to.
Someone will not be educated, that's okay.
Yeah,
But
but that also plays
everyone
a-
should have a standard of living.
Even
Yeah,
At least they
after-
should get paid
yes.
for what.
Even after getting so,
Only if you work in a bank or
10%
MNC, it's
increase
not
in the
like you should be
literacy
paid
level.
well enough.
we do not have a sufficient amount of jobs for the educated people.
yeah,
So what is the point of getting educated also? Because I feel like the way I've seen the shops running around in my in my area, they're earning more than what I'm earning.
There was a news
If I
about
analyze, 4 year back when I 4 to 5 years when I was a student, my maid was earning 15,000.
there was a stall in
Maid.
Nariman Point, I guess. He earned 25,000 vada pav stall.
Yeah,
per month.
even opposite
Even
NM,
I
there's a
thought,
vada pav wala.
Yeah,
That
going
was
to buy the
not-
stall.
And the teachers of NM.
Of course, we are not getting paid. Teaching is the lowest paid job in India. Okay, one of the lowest paid jobs. Okay, still we are like teacher बनना है, अच्छा काम है, and all that हम लोग भागते हैं. Okay, but then if I say I tell my family एक वड़ा पाव का stall डाल देते चलेगा.
Yeah, seriously.
but tuition
They
teachers
more.
are earning more than school
But
teachers.
yes, of course.
Because in my school, like I think the average salary should be 30,000. That's
Yes,
what. That's
yes.
it. That's
Not
it.
more than
Parents
that.
have a mindset that if they go to tuitions now, then only they can score.
Score,
That's
but
there.
that mindset actually.
That's-
And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
helping the tuition teachers. Now there's one geography teacher, like well known in this Lokhandwala area, called Rita Sharma. Anyone like geography tuitions, that her name comes first. Now she is taking 20,000 per student. Per student 20,000.
Wow.
And one of my friend's parents, their child also used to go to her. They also paid 20,000 for 2 years. 1 year 20,000. So 2 years 40,000.
1 year 20,000 or per month 20,000?
1 year.
1 year.
Ah, either per month 20,000 month.
Per month 20,000
per
per
student, like, so if there are so many students coming to
But
you,
one
so-
subject.
One
One
subject,
subject.
20,000.
Now
It's a bit too much.
they asked her how many students are coming to you. Now 7 days in a week she's taking batches every day, 2 batches per day. She said 100 students. So 20,000, 100
Ask her if
students.
she's paying taxes.
No, I didn't go to tuition. That is
I'm
this is a
just
story.
kidding.
Yeah.
Mostly they don't.
But
They don't, of
now
course,
she's
because
not.
there is no
Yeah,
what
she's
is it,
not taking a
official way
proper.
of
She's
getting
not an
that
official
money.
business. And then secondly, she was earlier going to school. Now she's not even going to school.
See,
So
we-
घर बैठे
एक वड़ा पाव का ठेला, एक सैंडविच का ठेला. It is a very good business, I feel. Or else a Xerox or stationery shop in front of an engineering college.
Yeah.
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 It
I-
does
I-
very
I-
good business.
A business
Very good
requires
business. Even that in business also you show very good leadership skills. How you will manage the entire show.
Yeah.
Starting when you will manage everything on your own. Later on you will have to get people, more people to manage your entire business. So this is what these people do. They don't go for education and all that. They will just use
They
their
just use
mind.
their brain.
But they
Various
always
things.
you start small.
You start
Yeah,
small, but
they
then
feel
you
that.
want
But we are like, we should have a big start only.
Like
Yeah.
at Irla, there is one Pani Puri wala, if you all know, very famous.
Hmm.
He's always surrounded.
Yeah.
So when first he was alone, now he has a helper
Yeah.
to break that puri and give him. So now he's doing so well.
So well.
So he can afford a
And we
helper.
think like, all these things are very
like low
paying
Yeah.
and all that, but they are earning more than
Yeah.
educated
Yes.
people.
Yeah, true, absolutely true.
My
There's
maid
a-
was earning 15,000 5 years back. And since college teachers are getting 15,000 a month.
Even the place matter, like the shops near the colleges will obviously earn.
Will obviously earn more, especially a stationery shop.
Yeah, true.
And with the Xerox machine and that projects and all that, what do you call that, binding, spiral binding, embossing and all that, it will work.
Now these
So-
this Sanal's branch at Shoppers Stop. Right in front of that they have opened a KFC.
Yeah, I know a class where it is right above McDonald's.
Even this
Right above
Andheri
McDonald's.
place, it's 2 McDonald's in front of it.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
people are इतना अभी अच्छा brain हो गया that people are opening classes in shopping malls also. Like बच्चे आएंगे shopping
Shopping
करेंगे,
करेंगे.
class में आएंगे shopping भी करेंगे. It's like that. So that mindset has changed. So entrepreneurs basically what we call them, if you want to be one, you will have to be good leaders for that. Unless and until, if you want to start your own business first, think about all the aspects, the pros and cons, which all members you will invite, what all finance you will require, think of the bigger picture, after 5 years, how it will expand. Only then you will be able to go ahead in life with good qualities. Alright, so how was the session today?
Excellent.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Sure, I
Yeah.
hope you all enjoyed. And